The mid-tier 40 series GPU, the RTX 4070, just got released, and if you are someone who's looking forward to building a Mini ITX setup, then you have to make sure the case ensures proper airflow and has enough space to house all the necessary components. To make it easier for you, here are the top 5 recommendations for the best Mini ITX PC cases to fit in the RTX 4070 GPU.
Welcome to Techfluencer, where we test and review countless tech products to help you make the best purchasing decision. Our tech expert team stays busy to keep you updated on latest tech trends and advancements. To purchase the right product, check out the links in the description.
Starting off, we have the Phanteks Shift XT, a perfectly designed Mini ITX case that looks absolutely beautiful. It boasts a sleek and stylish 3-in-1 exterior, made entirely of premium aluminum, which can be extended up to 6mm to accommodate an additional radiator. This case offers excellent internal compatibility, supporting up to 3 slotted GPUs with a maximum length of 324mm, and comes with a PCIe 4.0 riser cable for vertical GPU mounting. It also allows for optimal cooling efficiency with support for radiators up to 240mm at the top and CPU coolers up to 72mm in height. The radiator bracket is conveniently located at the top for easy installation. Additionally, the front tempered glass panel with stunning RGB lighting provides a premium gaming experience. For those seeking a unique and stylish case for their latest RTX 4070, the Evolve Shift XT is definitely worth checking out. Coming up next, we have the Luq Raw S1, a fantastic Mini ITX case that boasts a unibody design. It is an ideal choice for enthusiasts looking to build a powerful gaming rig or a compact workstation. The case supports a GPU up to 320mm in length, making it an excellent choice for those who want to fit in the latest and powerful GPUs, like the RTX 4070. Additionally, it supports up to 75mm CPU heatsinks, ensuring that your processor stays cool even under heavy loads. The Raw S1 also features an optional 140mm fan mount at the top, providing additional cooling options. Besides, the case comes equipped with a 4th-gen Cobalt PCIe riser, ensuring fast and reliable graphical bandwidth. The unibody design of the Raw S1 is not only stylish, but also highly functional. It provides exceptional durability and rigidity, ensuring your components are well protected. Those who are looking for a high-quality, functional Mini ITX cases should definitely check it out. Now, if you're looking forward to buying a Mini ITX case that ensures proper airflow, you should consider checking out Lee's Q58, which comes in black and white versions. This fully modular PC case offers maximum flexibility to users as every panel can be removed, making it easy to install internal components. It can accommodate a GPU with a maximum length of 320mm, providing ample space to fit modern GPUs like the RTX 4070. On top of that, it supports a 280mm radiator at the top and 120mm at the bottom, along with a full-size ATX PSU, which makes heat dissipation much easier. The Q58 also provides enough storage space for up to 4 SSDs and 1 HDD. Its sleek and minimalistic design, coupled with its modular nature, makes it an ideal choice for those who are looking for a Mini ITX case with enough cooling potential. Moving on to the Cooler Master SFF series, we have the NR200P with an impressive clean look and tempered side glass panels that add up to its aesthetic appeal. You can customize it with 2 different variants, a ventilated steel panel or a tempered glass panel. If you're planning to build your new RTX 4070 in this case, then the ventilated steel panel is an excellent option, as it provides superior airflow. Not only that, it supports graphics cards up to 336mm in length, up to a 67mm CPU cooler, and a radiator up to a 380mm. What's even better is that it comes with a pre-installed 850-watt gold power supply. which is a steal at this price point. The NR200P Max is an ideal choice for anyone looking forward to building a top-tier small form factor gaming PC. And for our last small form factor case, we have the NZXT H1. This is the new and improved version of the previous model that comes with increased GPU length and PSU wattage. Besides, it got a built-in fan controller, allowing you to control the fan speed to your preference. Also, the design is aesthetically pleasing and definitely stands out among other SFF cases in the market. It supports a maximum GPU clearance of up to 324mm and a maximum GPU thickness support of up to 58mm, making it a great option for graphics cards like the latest RTX 4070. The case also includes pre-built components such as a 140mm AIO liquid cooler, SFX-L 750 watts gold power supply, and a few other necessary components, making it a fantastic value for its price range. In short, if you're looking for a high-performance, space-saving PC build, then the NXT H1 V2 Mini ITX case will be indeed a great choice. So that was all about our top 7 Mini ITX cases for RTX 4070 PC build. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and comment below to let us know your thoughts. Subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon if you want to see more videos like this on your feed.